In this video, I want to talk about when is the ideal situation for doing a ratio spread of this type on the call side and on the put side. When is a good time? A good time for doing a ratio spread is actually when the volatility is high. And we look at the VIX now, which is at 11.45, and VIX at this level is considered low. If you go to the chart and just take a look at the VIX for the past 1 year, it is almost at the all-time low, or we can say that it is at the lower range for the past 1 year. VIX at this level is at the lower range. What happens when the VIX is low? When the VIX is low, all the option premium will be cheap. Whether is it call option, put option, in the money option, at the money option, or out of money option, it will be cheap. As compared to when the VIX is high, the option will be expensive. And what this means to a ratio spread trader is that if the VIX is high, option is expensive, you will be able to sell expensive and buy expensive. Of course, the buy leg will be expensive as well, and the sell leg will also be expensive. And when the VIX is high, the far out of money option is very expensive. And you can actually construct a spread that is wider and further away from the market. And that is what we want our ratio spread to be. We want our triangle to be much bigger, and this can only be achieved when the VIX is high. So at this current level, when the VIX is around 11 or 12, can we still do a ratio spread? Yes, you can, but you have to be more careful. If the market starts to move down very fast, you may want to close out your put spread early. When the market crash, we know that the VIX is going to go up, and if the market go up, then we know that the VIX is going to drop. What you can also do is, if you just do the call side, the call spread, and if the market were to crash and the VIX go up, it doesn't affect your call. That is because your call is further away when the market crash. And if the market were to go up, you know that the VIX is going to come down, and it will not impact your call ratio spread that much. And also, when the market go up, they tend to go up slower than when it come down. And that is what we want for ratio spread. We want the market to move to our buy strike slowly. We don't want the market to move to our buy strike tomorrow. If we start moving to our buy strike tomorrow, then we will see a loss. You see the purple line here. If the market start to move there today, then we will see a loss. But if it start to move there in 1, 2, 3 weeks, then this purple line will start to go up. And that is how we make our profit in ratio spread. So in a low IV environment, if you want, you can do both, but just be more careful on the put side if the market start to crash down very fast. Or if not, you can just concentrate on the call side, because when the IV start to go up, when the market crash, then your call spread will have no issue. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.